back to my channel. You're watching Something About Alicia, and I am Alicia. And today I have the long-awaited Dr. Locs review. I said I was going to do this review months ago, and right after I said I was going to do it, I found out that I was pregnant, and I was just so sick in the beginning of my trimester. In my first trimester, I didn't do my hair. I was so sick. So just reviewing this entire line and making a video was just not in the cards. I am now 9 months pregnant. I'm now 9 months. I'm full as a tick, and I'm finally going to review the Dr. Locs line. So I actually purchased the travel size kit, and in the travel size kit, each product is 1 ounce, and it comes with the leave-in conditioner, the PreCleanse, the shampoo, the locking spray, and the oil. And I had a chance to try all of them. I tried them all several different times, and I think I have a good collective review that I can share with you guys. I don't want to make this video too long because there's a million videos like this, and I feel like everyone's saying the same thing. But I just wanted to share with my community what I thought the products. Overall, I thought the products were very moisturizing. They felt really nice in my hair. What my favorite product of them all definitely will be the Yaya Oil. This is the size it comes in. This will have to, I still have a little bit in there. Me personally, I would repurchase the Yaya Oil. I do like it. I like the smell. Let me see if I can give a, yeah, it smells really nice. I really can't put my finger on it, but it's a smell that I don't mind having in my hair lingering around. It smells very fresh. I like very medium to heavy oils. I don't like lightweight oils in my hair. I like things to be very moisturizing, and I did get some moisture. My moisture was retained a lot once I sealed with this Yaya Oil. I did like it, so I do want to repurchase that. I guess I'll start from like the beginning. So pretty much the PreCleanse, I'm gonna pull up exactly what the PreCleanse is supposed to do so you can see. So the PreCleanse is a tea tree anti-buildup solution, and it says to shake well before using, spray liberally in areas where buildup is present, take a cloth or finger to move the PreCleanse around in the area to pull up flakage, and then wash with the shampoo thoroughly. I did do that. I sprayed my hair. I don't have visible buildup, but I sprayed my roots and like in my nape area, places where people typically have buildup. So I just sprayed it and then I massaged it. Honestly, I probably can go without this. I didn't really see or feel a difference. I see this honestly being something that they do in the salon. If someone found use for that, that could be part of like your shampoo process. Me personally, I don't feel like I need this, but I did try it, and I really don't have any feelings towards it besides it's just another product. So after that, I tried out the Yaya shampoo. Now I use this several different ways. So the thing about the shampoo, I washed several times and I did not get a lather. This shampoo did not lather, and I like my hair lather. I like it to be soapy. Whenever I use my Dr. Bronner's, I get that, but with this, I did not get any lather. Now, I tried it on my daughter. She's a loose natural, so I was able to detangle her hair, and I put this in there and it lathered. So I don't know what it is between my locks and her loose natural hair, but it lathered for her. It didn't lather for me. I used it several times, and the last 2 times I used it just for the scent. So I wasn't really happy with the shampoo. I probably will have something that'll break down the dirt and anything like buildup. I will have my own separate shampoo, and I would use this because it is moisturizing. All these products are very, very moisturizing. I did get that out of this whole thing, but I will probably use this honestly just for like the smell afterwards, because these products do stay in your hair for a while and I do like that. So I use the leave-in conditioner. Honestly, this one is like kind of still full. I used it and I didn't really have any feelings towards it. It's not something I'll repurchase. It's just a spray. I didn't really feel like it did anything. I actually have a leave-in conditioner that I like to use. I'm going to share that with you guys when I do my lock routine, because I do have an updated one, but I don't use this for a leave-in conditioner spray. And I'm always looking for something like that because I like my routine to be very easy, very simple. And I didn't really get too much moisture from this. I didn't really feel a difference in my locks after I sprayed it. So yeah, that I didn't really have too many feelings towards that. And then lastly, the Imani locking spray. I like the concept, I like the idea, I like the smell, I like how easy it was to use, and I feel like it was also very moisturizing. But I feel like something like this will benefit somebody with thinner locks. Like, I feel like my roots at least were too thick for this type of locking spray. I can see myself using this on my daughter to give her some coils. I can see myself using it on her to give her some 2-strand twists. But I used it twice while retwisting my hair, and it didn't hold up. It probably would be better if you put it in a style. It might last longer then, but I didn't really get a tackiness from it. I didn't really get like a hold too much from it. And I honestly feel like my locks might have been just too thick, honestly. But yeah, I don't really have too many feelings about the locking spray. I like the idea of locking spray. I think it's really convenient rather than, you know, dipping my hand in a jar. I'll rather use a spray than doing that. But it didn't really hold for me. It didn't really, I didn't really feel like I didn't spray anything. It didn't really hold. It's as if I retwisted with just like something really light and nothing that's gonna really hold my locks together. Like I said, maybe if, you know, someone wants to put it in a style, it might last longer like that. But I didn't get much hold from the locking spray. But overall, with all these products, I really, my favorite one was the oil. I am like an oil girl. All of you know, like, the most I do to my hair is like I wash it and then I oil it. I don't need a bunch of different products to achieve what I want to do. But I would repurchase the Yaya Oil. And if I was gonna do something, if I wanted to repurchase anything for my daughter, I would probably get the shampoo for her. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I probably will repurchase the Yaya Oil and the shampoo for my daughter. Besides that, the Yaya Oil was a win for me. I really did enjoy this. I would repurchase it. It smells nice. It's very, very moisturizing. I can also feel it absorb into my hands when I'm done. So I can really appreciate that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little Dr. Locs review. I've been meaning to get this out a long time ago, but it's here now, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace, love, and light.